Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and hit the gray bell so that you know when I've uploaded and you never miss an episode. So guys, today I'm so excited because I am doing a matcha cake, a 3-layer matcha cake. And I love matcha. I've had the drink from Starbucks and I just want to try it in a cake. And so this is my first time making it. So we'll make it together. The recipe will be somewhere on the screen and I'm excited. Let's get into it. I wanted to say before we go too far, I did get this recipe from chelsweets.com. I'll put the link in the description if you're ever interested. If you decide to try this, tag me. Let me know what you thought of it. Be sure to sift the matcha powder with the baking powder with the flour. And be sure to keep the wet ingredients with the wet ingredients. Just wanted to remind you guys to do it that way because I didn't show how I did it. If you have any other questions, just refer to the link in the description. Okay, so I don't know if I've explained this in my other videos, so I'm gonna explain it now. I have 3 identical pans. I have a scale, and to get them almost close to perfect together, the same height and size and the width, I use cake strips. And you have to have a pan that the cake strip can go around. I had to go buy 3 new pans because the cake strips wouldn't work on the other ones because they were really cheap or whatever from Walmart. But those cake strips keep the cakes from doming and arising so that when you do bring it out, you have a lovely, even cake. So if you don't have any cake strips, you guys gotta get you some. this is where I knew I messed up. I made the icing, and I'm not great with icing, but the icing was way too sweet. It was a buttercream. And on such a delicate tea cake, it just was way too sweet. And then on top of that, I did a white chocolate matcha drizzle that intensified the sugar that much more. Almost scary if you were able to scrape it off. But it was good overall. I'm definitely going to do it again so that I can redeem myself with the icing, because that was just a fight that I just absolutely wasn't going to win. It was terrible. So, anyhow, hit like, comment, subscribe. If you decide to try the cake, tag me and let me know what you thought about it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.